All right, my beautiful friends, it is Friday, April 16, 2021. What a week so far. All right, anyway, let's talk. What's going on? Well, right now stocks are poised for a higher open, meaning that this market will break records right at the open. It's an incredible thing to see. Yesterday, new record highs for the Dow and the S&P 500. No surprise to you. You knew this was coming. You know how it's going to go here. The market is literally unstoppable at this point. And we understand why, what's going on, the driving force, what they're trying to do, which makes our life, well, very, very simple to take advantage of all this. So we got, again, stock futures pointing towards a higher open. 10-year yield not only stable, but lower. The dollar is under pressure here. Crude oil getting bid higher. That's also part of the unholy trinity. What is the unholy trinity? You got the debt market or the 10-year yield, the dollar, and crude oil. If you watch these three things, and I got it all set up for you right here on my website, top of the second page, you will have a very good idea as to where the market's going to go. But again, in this environment, with the Fed, what did they say yesterday? What was the wording? They're ready to do whatever it takes to support the economy. They're not supporting the economy at all. They're talking about the market. So when the market wants to hear this over and over and over again, and you're going to hear some more talk from Federal Reserve President creatures as they get floated out to prop up this market. You know that. There's also, a lot of talk with Iran enriching uranium here. This is a setup, in my view, to what I have said is going to happen, people, at one point. There's going to be a false flag event and a big one in the Middle East, and it's going to prop up crude oil. Crude is going over $70 a barrel. There's no doubt in my mind whatsoever relatively soon. And this is going to give a huge boost to the energy sector, to the financial sector. Why the financial sector? You know why. I'll tell you again real quick. Because the investment banks have trillions of dollars. Trillions in leveraged dollars betting on the price of crude oil going higher. So game. It's all a game. Cryptocurrencies right now are under pressure. Why? The specter of regulation. Okay, we've seen this over and over and over again, and over again, nothing happens. I'm not saying it's definitely not going to, but I don't believe, in my opinion, they're not going to regulate cryptocurrencies. At least not for a while here. So, to me, this dip in cryptocurrencies is a buying opportunity. Gold and silver right now are getting bid higher. Okay, lovely. But again, the price action, I'm laughing, of gold and silver has no bearing on reality. They're being artificially suppressed, and you know that. You know, people write to me literally every day about gold and silver, and they don't understand how it works, the price action, how the hard asset derives value from the derivative, or why this is so the banks, or JP Morgan more specifically, can rig the price action. But, you know, I know everyone gets angry about it. People are upset about it. Don't be upset. I mean, are you looking to trade this stuff, or are you looking to take advantage of it for the long run, like I've been saying since time immemorial? I almost never trade the derivative. It's not real. The price action of the derivative is not real. And how it reflects on the price of the hard asset, well, it's obviously fake. So I don't trade these things, and I don't care where they go in the short run. If they go lower, great. Add to your positions. That's my opinion. You know that if you've been with me for any length of time. So that's pretty much where we stand right now, people. We have a market poised for new record highs right at the open. Look at the 10-year yield. Stable, lower, dollar, lower, crude oil getting bid higher. And the promise of more easy money by the Fed than you can possibly imagine. They're flooding the world with debt. They're buying it all. what would you expect to happen? It's very, very simple. All right, there's no guesswork here. There's no guesswork. Anyway, with regard to the dip here in cryptocurrencies, I say, in my opinion, when you do your own research, buy it. That's it. That's where we stand right now. It's very simple, and watch again and listen, okay, for the build up towards the false flag event, which I believe is going to happen relatively soon. It's all about Iran enrichment, Iran enrichment. Okay, they're setting it up. They always do this. They got to sell the people first. Oh, look at what they're doing. They're enriching uranium to weapons grade or close to weapons grade, and then, it'll justify a military strike. You understand? That's how it works. It's how they set it up. It's how they get the people, the sheeple, strung along to buy the nonsense, the propaganda, and the fakery. All right, that's it, people. Love you a lot. Again, let me just say I am so happy, really, to see all of you, many of you, taking advantage of the chat room on my website. There's a lot of people in there now. I opened up a lot more spaces for you. Again, this is free for you. I pay for that chat room. I pay for the extra spots. So take advantage of this. There's a lot of great people in there. They're like-minded. They want to rip the face off of this market if you're a trader or if you're a stacker or if you're someone that holds in cryptocurrencies. Go over there. Check it out. TradersChoice.net. You're going to love it. I'm out of here. See you later on.